Welcome to Xpert Car Care. Mahindra XUV 700 Paint Protection Film Application. This is a brand new vehicle from the showroom. And this is how the car looks before the paint protection film is applied. Here we go. We start off by removing parts like tail lamps, fuel tank cap, door handle, roof railings, we do this to make sure the PPF is applied on every paint surface of the vehicle. And the removal of the parts is done by trained professionals who is experienced, and they remove the parts without any damage. The car is in our washing bay for a detailed foam wash. We do this to clean the car and remove any marks or stains present on the body of the car. We use the best quality foam to wash the car to get rid of swirl marks. The car is washed completely to ensure that there is no stains on the body of the car. The car is now ready for paint protection film application. This is our paint protection film, which is hydrophobic. 200 microns thickness. Our super trained professionals have started the application process. They apply the film without any stretch marks on the body of the car. We clean the body before applying the film to ensure there is no paint bubbles on the body of the car. Front right door PPF application. The edges of the door are cleaned before we tuck in the film. Front bumper PPF application. Our Xpert applicators tuck in film completely to the edge of the body parts. Rear right quarter panel PPF application. make sure the film is tucked into the edges of the body so that it does not peel off. After the paint protection film is applied, we fit back the parts which was dismantled before the application process. Our super trained professionals make sure every part which was dismantled before the application is put back on the car without any damage. Parts removed before the application is now installed on the car without any damage and looks exactly as the factory fitting. And now it's time to see the Mahindra XUV 700 after the paint protection film application. You can now see the car looks super glossy and super shiny. Our film is high-gloss, hydrophobic, and self-healing in nature. Self-healing means if any scratches and swirl marks on the car will be vanished because of the auto-healing nature. The car now looks dashing with our PPF film on it. You can see our super trained PPF applicators have done their job precisely without any stretch marks on the body of the car. We care for your car. Like, follow, subscribe our YouTube channel for the best auto detailing services in Bangalore. Thank you for watching this video. Regards, Xpert Car Care.